Alright guys, so testing out a new mic today. The old microphone I used to have was something that came with my headphones, and it was working well for me, but it was really inconsistent, so I tried something new. I got the Sony ECM microphone, that popular one for about $20 that a lot of motovloggers have. And I thought that would solve all my problems. I had an audio recorder, like a cheap Chinese one. Hooked it up to that, put the microphone in my helmet, and guess what? You get a ton of like distortion with it. Like the volume's too loud. I don't know if it's to do with the audio recorder, because that's the only audio recorder I have. But I mean, the audio recorder on its own, when it's not in the helmet, it sounds great. You got stereo, that can give it a fuller sound, you know? And it's very sensitive, so I think either the microphone's too sensitive or it has to do with the audio recorder. I'm thinking the audio recorder must have something to do with it, because everyone else is using the microphone. And the microphone sounds completely fine on their recording, so I'm not sure how they're doing it. I mean, for the most part, those people tend to hook it up directly to their camera. I unfortunately cannot do that because I, again, have the Xiaomi E action camera here. So I tried to do a recording with that and it completely sucked. So try something new. I have headphones, so the ones that actually go in your ear with the built-in line mic. And that's what I'm trying today. Hopefully the audio is acceptable, you know? For all I know, this is a perfect mic. I wrapped it up with some foam, kind of like I did with the old mics. Every mic I've tried, that's what I would do to get rid of wind noise. I did like an initial test at home, sampling it in the helmet, and it didn't sound too loud. It's always easier to add volume to quiet audio versus remove distortion. But again, going back to that Sony ECM, it would sound all right until you put it in the helmet. Once you put it in the helmet, I guess it has to do with the echoing, the fact that the sound's not traveling as far. It's much louder in the helmet, and that's amplified the noise. So I did like a day of recording, try to do some videos on it, catch up, because I knew this past week, today's Thursday, it's going to be super busy for me, which is why I didn't upload last weekend. Try to get ahead, put out some videos. So that sucked. That was a day of recording. I probably had like 2 or 3 videos kind of set. Oh my god, that sounds terrible. 2 videos set up, and so those were ruined, unfortunately. Really curious as to how this video is. The fact that this isn't really a topic is going to be really easy for me to edit and upload. I just want to put something out. Trying to keep with that weekly scheduling that I'm supposed to have. As the semester comes to an end, that's when obviously most of the workload comes in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over in a bit, see how the audio is. If it's good, end the video there. Success, continue with other videos. Try to put out another video, make another video tonight before it gets too dark. I mean, it's beautiful outside right now. Maybe get some Instagram worthy pictures here. And we'll pull over here. See how it is. Anyways, guys, if the audio is good, this is going up. If not, well, you won't see this. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, as always.